a state university, and so we work under the delegation of the State Department of Facilities Construction Management, DFCM. You know, through the press we know about the stimulus, and so we were looking for, you know, what opportunities could we find, you know, from the stimulus that would that we could put to use. And we were already thinking about this project. It was already, we already had the building that had the need, and we'd already made the decision that we didn't want to just put another single plant in there. We wanted to make a more efficient plant. The original project would have been a basic chiller plant that just produces chilled water in the typical chiller approach. The enhancements are all of these energy conservation measures, which are adding more buildings to it, so we get rid of old equipment, so which adds, like I said, about $8 million to the total scope of the project. Being able to offset some of that cost with the ARRA funding makes it so that the energy payback is better, makes it more attractive for a financing package, which is what we had to put together to do that.
The electrician who changed out the lighting brought in a group of 4 people and worked very quickly and did that work over a period of about 2 weeks. So we had 4 people involved in that project. The photovoltaic took a little longer. We had about 4 people working for roughly a month on that project. And then finally the controls project has probably been the most significant. We've had electricians and controls people, probably 6 to 8 on average throughout the project, working on the controls upgrade. As this project continues, different trades will move on to the construction site, but on the average the typical crew working on the construction site will probably be 15 to 20 and as many as 30 people at any given time. So the construction of the chiller plant is going to create a large number of jobs over the next year.
Since 2000, the university has done almost $50 million worth of this kind of work. You know, we just try every time we have to make a decision to replace a piece of equipment. We want to look, you know, there's a traditional way and there's a energy efficient or environmentally friendly way. And we try to make sure that we do the best thing. It's usually more expensive to do the other, you know, to be more energy efficient, but we're building a 50-year plant. So it'll pay for itself over the next 15 to 20 years, and then it will continue to pay for itself over the next 20 years.